Hey everybody, it's Jeff Berlin. My new bass book, Bass Mastery, is a book that I have prepared for beginners. It's a beginner reading book, and I feel it might be one of the best reading books out there for you. It begins simply with whole notes on one string, and it progresses from there. The book was written in a style of classical studies. It begins with simple notes and it sequentially becomes more involved. That's how all players improve when they study written music in order to learn how to play better and how to read better. The book is doing very well, but I want everybody to benefit from a rather unique study book, which is written only in the key of C and only in 4/4, and it gets you up and down and all over the neck through written music. So please go to jeffberlinmusicgroup.com. You can get the book there. And if you can't wait, why don't you get it now?